Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about chapter 15, properties of triangles. Students, you have learned about define triangles and different types of triangles in previous classes. Here we have a review itself. Properties of triangles. In this first term is proper triangle. Triangle ABC be a triangle. Name of this triangle is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Define of triangle is a closed figure which is bounded by three line segments is called triangle. A closed figure which is made up of three line segments is called triangle. A triangle has three sides AB sides. AB, BC and CA or AC. AB, BC and CA, three sides, three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Three sides and three angles are called six elements of a triangle. A triangle has six elements, three sides and three angles, and three vertices. A, B and C. The opposite side of vertex A is BC. BC is denoted by small a. The opposite side of vertex B is AC. AC is denoted by small b. And the opposite side of vertex C is AB. AB is denoted by a small c. So perimeter of triangle is the sum of the lengths of its boundary. So A plus B plus C. Students, now types of triangle. There are two types, two ways differentiate the triangle. One, basis of sides and basis of angles. First, according to sides, equilateral triangle. First types of triangle. Types of triangle. According to sides, first equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all sides are equal. A triangle in which all sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle, or a triangle whose all sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Figure of an equilateral triangle is ABC, an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC. In equilateral triangle, all sides and all angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. The measurement of each angle is 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. It is equilateral triangle. And second is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle, or a triangle whose two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. The figure of an isosceles triangle is ABC, an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. The base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angle B equal to angle C. Isosceles triangle, since AB equal to AC, therefore angle B equal to angle C. Third, a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. A triangle in which no any sides are equal. A triangle whose no any one sides are equal. A triangle whose any two sides are not equal is called a scalene triangle. So in a scalene triangle, all sides has different lengths. A, B, C. AB not equal to BC, not equal to AC. No any two angles are equal. Angle A not equal to angle B, not equal to angle C. Now, other types of triangles are bases of angles. Bases of angles. According to angles are three types of triangle. Bases of angle are three types of triangle. First is acute triangle. Acute triangle. A triangle in which each angle is less than 90 degree. A triangle in which each angle is less than 90 degree is called an acute triangle. Acute triangle A, B, C. Each angle is less than 90 degree. Second, right triangle. Right triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right angle. A triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called right triangle. ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is right triangle 90 degree, and third is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. A triangle in which one angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse triangle, or a triangle in which one angle is obtuse is called an obtuse triangle. Triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is obtuse angle. Now, next term is angle sum property. Students, it is very important thing, angle sum property. Short form of angle sum property, ASP. Angle sum property. In short form, ASP. The sum of the angles of a triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Look that it is theorem also. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Draw a triangle ABC. ABC. Name of the angles of triangle: angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Right? Let ABC be a triangle then to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Construction. Students, ABC be a triangle. Then to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So let ABC be a triangle. Then to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Construction. Draw DE. Draw DE parallel BC. Throw A, draw DE parallel BC. So two next angle form here, angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Proof. Since DE parallel BC, therefore angle 4 equal to angle 2. DE parallel BC. So angle 4 equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Again, since DE parallel BC, AB is transversal. Next, DE parallel BC and AC. Here, AC is transversal. AC is transversal. Therefore, angle 5 equal to angle 3. Now, here angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. That implies angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Angle 5 equal to angle 3 equal to 180 degree. That implies, students, angle 1, 2 and 3 is angle A, B and C. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. True. Write it. Student, now I shall solve exercise 15A. One question is written here, question number 4, and question number 1, 2, 3 solve according to the angle sum property. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I have in question number 4, find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. Find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. So let angle A equal to 4x, angle B equal to 3x, and angle C equal to 2x. So by angle sum property, ASP, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That implies the value of angle A is 4x. So 4x, angle B equal to 3x plus 3x plus angle C equal to 2x. 2x equal to 180 degree. That implies 4x plus 3x plus 2x. 4x plus 3x 7x plus 2x 9x. 9x equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree by 9. So equal to 20 degree. Now find angle A equal to 4x equal to 4 into 20 degree equal to 80 degree. Angle B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 20 degree equal to 60 degree. Angle C equal to 2x equal to 2 into 20 degree equal to 40 degree. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. In this question, one of the angles of a triangle is 100 degree. and the other two angles are equal. Find each of the equal angle. So let each of the equal angles be x. So by angle sum property, by ASP, all angles are, the sum of the all angles is 180 degree. So x plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies x plus x 2x plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. Next step is 2x equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree. That implies x equal to 80 degree by 2 equal to 40 degree answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 15A, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.